It's a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. The last few weeks have been horrendous. It's been like monsoon season. It hasn't stopped raining apart from the past couple of days where I've just played catch up because I haven't been able to do anything in the garden. So I've been harvesting some more onions to go with what I've got before. These are only small and these are what came from onion sets, so I don't think I'll be doing them again. Me onions from seed, they're still in the ground and standing proud. These started falling over, so what I'm going to do with all these onions that came from sets, the majority of them I'm going to cut them up and freeze them. This is what I've harvested today. I have been harvesting at times other things. I nearly fell over in the large greenhouse and trod on some celery, so I'll use that up in tea tonight. Yeah, this is the first cauliflower I've ever grown, and there's a possibility that it's going to bolt on me, so we're having that for tea tonight. And look what I've just seen. I've brought all this produce in the house and look what we've got, a slug on it. I'll just dispose of him, that's better. So I've got 4 cucumbers to sort out. Not sure exactly what I'm going to do with them. I may just freeze them and then I'll be, although I could do dehydrating because I have dehydrated some before. Right, and I have courgettes, zucchinis, and this is a patty pan. So that's today's harvest. So I'm actually, with it being back in rainy weather, I'm going to deal with all this now and in whatever way. These onions have now been in the dehydrator for over 24 hours. They should be completely dry, so I'm going to transfer them to these jars. I've let them cool down a bit, so can you hear? That's the stage that they're at, extremely dry. And I've got 6 trays in total. I found my dehydrator. Oop, knocking the other jar over. So I'm going to see now and put them in these jars. These are litre size jars. You can see that they aren't full. I've got a dehydrator full of onions in these 3 jars. The reason they aren't full to the top is because I'm starting to do what Darcy from the Purposeful Pantry has suggested, that condition them, because I had some mushrooms go mouldy on me last year. So they're in these jars with space so I can see if they stick to the jar or not. And if they don't stick to the jar or to one another, I'll shake them up every day, and after a week, if they're still like that, then I know I can put them in the jars for longer term storage. And these will be for about a year, because out of all those onions I saw, I've got those dehydrated ones and too many more, so I froze some. And I've got twice as many onions in the ground that are getting bigger. I'll be able to have some fresh and some stored in the freezer and some dehydrated. This is a jar containing last year's dehydrated onions, because if I'm doing a stew or a casserole where it's long, slow cooking, then I'll use a lot of my dehydrated products. If it's something else that I'm cooking, maybe a lasagna, spaghetti bolognese, whatever, I'll use the frozen onions. But before I use either of those, I'll use fresh onions and then go onto my preserved onions afterwards. Use your fresh up, then your preserved. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect situation.